For admission, item number 1.
I have just submitted the spot verification report dated 3rd of June 2026, my lord. The spot verification was conducted twice, once on the 14/5/2026 and the other on the 21/5/2026, my lord.
But what, on 3/6.
Yes, this is a letter dated 3rd of June 2026, my lord.
This is neither here nor there.
Yes, my lord, but the concluding part of the verification report at point number 4, my lord,
Yes.
wherein it was concluded from the spot verification conducted that one has to consider a win-win situation by taking to consideration both the requirements of the proposed district court as well as the financial and material losses of the PNS department Lunglei, especially with respect to the staff occupying the quarters situated within the premise of the land lease owned by PNS department, my lord.
That's okay.
So the consideration of a win-win for exchange.
So who is to consider? That's all right.
Yes, my lord.
You have to consider a win-win situation. But who has to consider? So let them consider. The authorities that are to take the final decision with regard to that one win-win situation.
Yes,
Let them consider it.
If I may, the office order dated 6th of May 2026, which had constituted the survey team. The mandate of the survey team was to verify feasibility of land and building under PNS department for construction of district court complex and to assess the existing district court complex at Venglai for possible establishment of printing press under PNS department. So the mandate was to verify feasibility. This report does not mention anything about the feasibility.
Yes.
The office order dated 6th of May 2026. I think my learned friend had submitted on the last court date.
Let us see that 6th of May, yes. Yes, what is to be done?
Yes, my lord. After this office order, my lord, this is the verification report that we
All right, we understand.
Yes, my lord.
That is there. Now what is the way forward? You are the additional AG. You have got to know the way forward. What is the way forward? You cannot be a parrot.
Yes, my lord.
You know, just echoing or repeating what the executive says or the government says. You have got to also guide them. What is to be done now? Because their survey report, verification report is neither here nor there. What is required was that the survey team was to make a feasibility report with regard to the proposed construction and submit a detailed report at the earliest. Very easy to say it has to be a win-win situation. Let us all be happy.
This is hardly a report. These are the musings of the
Yes.
members.
He just says that yes, let us have a win-win situation. We are asking how tall is the tree? He says, oh, very beautiful tree, green and full of fruits. That's not the question. The question is how tall is the tree? What is this? What kind of a report is this?
If your lordship will give me some time to speak to the deputy
Yes,
commissioner
yes,
Lunglei, my lord.
Yes, okay, right. heard Mr. A.R. Malhotra, learned amicus curiae, also heard Mr. Samuel Valentia Changte, the learned edition reading. On a perusal of the contents of the office order dated 6/5/2026, issued by the Deputy Commissioner Lungle, which required the survey team to ensure a comprehensive and coordinated evaluation of the overall feasibility of the printing and stationery department site for the proposed construction of a district court complex, and to submit a detailed report with regard to the same, the Assistant Commissioner (REV) Lungle District has written a letter letter dated 3/6/2026 in pursuance to the same, which reads as follows. From here to here, the whole thing, okay? Next. A perusal of the above letter has not made any mention with regard to whether the printing and stationery department site was suitable for construction of a district court complex. And whether the existing district court complex was suitable for establishment of a printing press under the PNS department. The additional AG submits that he would like to obtain instructions with regard to the same from both the Deputy Commissioner Lungle and the Assistant Commissioner (REV) Lungle District. List the matter on next week. Friday or Thursday? Friday. Chief will be there next time. So you have some positive, tell them. Something positive should be there.
Yes, ma'am. Obliged, ma'am.
Item number 2.
May it please Your Lordship, I have filed the affidavit in opposition. Your Lordship, at the onset, I would like to submit that the Annexure 2, which contains beneficiaries' names, father's name, Your Lordship, there has been the Annexure 2, Your Lordship, wherein the proposed beneficiary's name and father's name. Your Lordship, there is a slight typographical error. If I may be allowed to produce a corrected version of the same, Your Lordship.
You can correct it later, no problem.
Yes,
we'll allow it. But this has not answered any of our queries.
Your Lordship, I have been informed that the provision which in I have also stated the same in paragraph number 18 as well, Your Lordship. If I may read the paragraph number 18, Your Lordship, that is on page number 7.
Yes.
That it is further submitted that clause 7.3 of the proposed scheme contemplates recovery of assistance amount in cases where a beneficiary fails to complete construction of the parking facility within the stipulated period, fails to implement the project or reduces the approved parking capacity. The said provision is directed towards non-completion or non-implementation of the project and does not expressly govern situation where a beneficiary, after completion of the project, subsequently fails to utilize or continue utilizing the parking premises strictly in accordance with the objectives of the scheme. So, Your Lordship, the recovery...
Basically, all in all, you have done nothing.
Yes, Your Lordship. It is admitted that since the scheme has been
Can
terminated.
we also give our names for, we also want to give parking area to some, for the public. If you are not going to do anything with regard to those persons who have taken money but has not done anything for the scheme, everyone will want that. You want to hand out some more money where you will get 1,000 people straight away in 5 minutes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Or are these people in cahoots with them? If that is the case, then we'll initiate a FIR. Let all those persons go behind bars. This is not the way to do things, madam. Now things are coming out.
Yes,
There
Your
are a
Lordship.
few more queries we want to put to you, but you have not answered these basic questions.
Your Lordship, this is, if I may, Your Lordship.
And you are giving, the amounts you are giving is, like you come to number 2, page 10. How much have you given to this person? 6 lakhs.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And how many vehicles has he got to accommodate in the garage to be constructed?
Your Lordship, with that information, I do not have information of.
It is written here, madam.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The 4th last column, look at it.
Your Lordship.
0 vehicles.
Your Lordship, on that.
And you are giving 8 lakhs for 6 lakhs for a garage.
Your Lordship, the 36.
Then you come down to 7, item number 7. Again, 8 lakhs, 0 vehicles.
Your Lordship,
Then you come to serial number 17.
Your Lordship, the typographical error that I was speaking about is relevant. Your Lordship, because actually in the.
You have said CTC,
It is-
certified true copy. This is the advocate's signature.
Yes, Your Lordship. However, I will admit, Your Lordship, since I had been given only 2 days, I reviewed the affidavit last night and I noticed that, Your Lordship, the number of vehicles is divided into 2 columns, that is LMV and two-wheeler, Your Lordship. So the two-wheeler section is containing 48 in serial number 7, and then for serial number 2, Your Lordship, the number of, for serial number 2, the two-wheeler parking is 36 two-wheelers.
36 two-wheelers?
Yes, Your Lordship.
36 two-wheelers.
Can be accommodated is what has been reported.
Okay. So you have made a... No, he made a mistake. She says she made a mistake.
Your Lordship,
Okay, we'll accept your explanation for the time being, subject to clarification
Yes, Your Lordship.
by way of producing the original documents, the original agreements. We want to see each and every original agreement signed. This, you're giving a standard agreement form without the signatures is neither here nor there. You see, now it appears that this is a major scheme for accommodating vehicles
Yes,
in
Your
the state, in the city. And you'll have done nothing as a follow-up action to see if the scheme was really being worked upon by those persons who have taken money and by the government who has given the money.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And you have given out here 2.4 lakh, some you get 8 lakh. For like out here, for different number of vehicles, you give different amounts. Interesting. I will not say, we won't say much right now, but it appears that something is not quite right. I thought someone had got 1.8 crores also. It is not here in the list. I have not seen it. But I think we heard about it, say in the papers or something. So there's no truth to that, correct? No one got 1.8 crores.
No, Your Lordship. Not as per the records given to me. Your Lordship, if I may submit for clarity, for the sake of clarity, the money was given in installments, Your Lordship, after every verification, whenever.
No, it's all right. You give it in installments, you give it in one go, it doesn't matter.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We just want to see that whether it's really being used for the purpose it was given. I'm just looking, is there any, in my locality, has any money been given? Just let me see, so that I can check personally. While passing by.
Your Lordship, serial number 24, page number 12, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Serial number 24, page number 12.
Serial number 20, just a minute, how is the serial going? 77, 78, 88, 19, 99, 100, okay. Serial number 24, yes?
Yes, Your Lordship. That is from your locality, Your Lordship.
No, this Chaltlang, Salemveng, Chalbuanga. Okay, this is my locality, exactly my locality. Even right down to the section, it's right there. And how many is 42? Okay, very good.
42 two-wheelers, Your Lordship. And then Your Lordship.
I'm looking at that. I believe there was a church
Yes, Your Lordship.
just near the Chaltlang Dorkon.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Is it there? Is it in the list? It's just near my house. It's just near my house, but I have not seen any parking.
Your Lordship, serial number 57 and 59 are also from 69 are also from your locality as well, Your Lordship.
Serial number?
57 and 69.
Because you all are not doing anything. Your affidavit says that you all have not done anything. So I guess we'll have to do some. While I take my walk and all, maybe I'll just see. 59.
Yes, Your Lordship. 57 and 69. And 74
No,
also,
this
Your Lordship.
Chatlang Lily this is not my locality.
And Your Lordship, 69 and 74.
74. I think, madam, you have to bring the records, the original records. Okay, right. The Under Secretary to the Government of Mizoram, UDNPA Department, has submitted an affidavit dated 4/6/2026 annexing the details of the beneficiaries and the amount of money received by each of them under the PAHOS, PAHOS. Para 18 of the said affidavit states that, you take para 18, huh? Take it down, just copy it, okay? First up. para 20 of the affidavit states that no recovery proceedings under clause 7 bracket 3 of the scheme has been initiated against the beneficiaries solely on the ground of subsequent non-utilization or change in utilization of the parking premises after completion of the project, as the scheme does not specifically provide for such recovery. So they just pocket it even if they don't follow the scheme. Full stop. Next para. There is a lot left to be desired in the way the government has implemented PAHOS, wherein they have given money and have basically said that no recovery proceedings have been initiated, even if the basis for the grant of money to those beneficiaries has not been utilized for the purpose of the PAHOS. This state of affairs cannot be allowed to continue. The state government will have to take recovery measures in cases where the beneficiary of the grants provided to them under PAHOS has not been utilized for PAHOS. Accordingly, the respondents are directed to make guidelines within 3 weeks from today for taking steps for recovery of money from those beneficiaries who have been granted money for implementing PAHOS. The guidelines and the time frame within which the guidelines are to be made effective by the state government should be made known to us by the next date. And the same should be made known to us by the next date in writing. Full stop. A perusal of the details of the beneficiaries and the amount disbursed shows that 139 persons in various localities within Aizawl city have been given money for implementing PAHOS. Full stop. Implementing PAHOS amounting to rupees 1136 lakhs. The agreement made with the beneficiaries, a draft agreement made by the government with the beneficiaries under PAHOS has also been annexed. Next, the government advocate shall produce all the original agreements made with the beneficiaries under PAHOS and also produce the official records on the next date. We'll keep it with us once it comes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
List the matter on. When do you want?
Your Lordship, if it may be listed again after vacation.
Give a date.
14th of July.
Much obliged, Your Lordship. Obliged.
Very interesting, madam.
Welfare scheme.
No, no.
Welfare scheme.
There is this place which I have heard has been given this grant also. Name is not here. I
Yes,
might be
sir.
wrong. The information I got
Yes,
might be
sir.
wrong, but I mean, when you look at the amounts given
Yes,
and
sir.
you see, has there been any follow-up done?
No, Your
No.
Lordship.
Okay, right. One more thing. The state respondents are also directed to make a verification report in respect of all the beneficiaries who are listed out in Annexure 1 of the additional affidavit filed by the respondent number 2, dated 4/6/2026.
Your
And-
Lordship, Your Lordship, if I may, in the interest of public, Your Lordship, there is a provision in the draft agreement scheme of the PAHOS, that is page number 34, Your Lordship, which says that this is part of the deed agreement that is filed, Your Lordship. If I may read out in the interest of public. In cases of non-utilization of funds by the beneficiaries from the Government of Mizoram for purpose of PAHOS, Aizawl, Municipal Corporation or any other state agency, as the government may decide, may take coercive action including locking, closing of the building premises.
Okay, but then have you made a report? Have you verified? Before taking action, you have got to verify.
Yes, Your Lordship. We have not verified.
So please make a report.
Yes, Your
Please
Lordship.
verify, and then then you take action. No, you cannot
Yes, Your
take
Lordship.
action without a report. You cannot build the first floor without building the ground floor.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Right. So what is it? And make a report with regard to whether each and every of the beneficiaries mentioned in the said Annexure 2 have implemented the scheme in terms of the agreement executed by them with the government.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The report should also be placed before this court by the next date.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Date 15th July.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
leave of the court, may I please mention item 7, my lord, at the motion list to be taken up, my lord.
Why?
My lord.
Why?
My lord, there is a difficulty, that's why I was saying, my lord.
What is the difficulty?
My lord, there is a matter I am arguing from last 3 days, my lord. In the trial court, the court is not ready to give me a passover for a while, so he's saying we will then close the right if you will not hear by 11:30. That's what.
Oh, you have to go there. Okay.
Item number 7.
Yes, my lord. I am extremely sorry to make this request.
Yes, what is your case?
My lord, this is a case, my lord, against the Enforcement Directorate as well. My lord, they have done an attachment of a property, my lord. The provisional attachment order, my lord, may have page P3, page 56. My lord, under the scheme of the Act, once the provisional attachment order is done, within 30
Where
days...
is the properties attached?
The property, my lord, is in Gauhati. The predicate offence is here. The prosecution complaint is here. Everything is here, my lord, before this court.
So?
The jurisdiction, my lord, will, because it is attached by ED as well, my lord, it will come here only.
No, I think it is from Gauhati. You are from Gauhati. Everyone is from Gauhati. Directorate is in Gauhati.
My lord, it says as well, my lord. My lord, may just have the P50.
Where is the provisional
P3.
attachment order?
My lord,
Page?
P3.
Huh?
P3.
Page.
56. It says, my lord, as well, subdivision, the predicate offence is here, the prosecution complaint
it
is
says here, Aizol sub-zonal office address is Christian Basti, Gauhati.
right. I thought that as well.
No. You go to Gauhati.
Please.
Or is there an alternative remedy available?
No, the rate is the only remedy. Remedy we have come on up,
Huh?
but rate is the only remedy.
Why?
Because, my lord,
This is a provisional order.
my lord,
Is there a final order?
my lord, there are, can I just say, my lord, the order of show cause issued by the adjudicating authority is without jurisdiction because quorum non judice. He is a technical member sitting there. He could not pass.
That is a different aspect.
But that is the main aspect because there are 140 high courts, 140 judgments in various high courts, my lord. All provisional attachment order and show cause notices stayed only on this ground up till Supreme Court. This reference is pending in Supreme Court and all proceedings are stayed.
With the adjudicating
Quorum.
authority.
Yes, my lord. So till the time the quorum is not complete, the show cause notice, my lord, without.
But then how can you say that? Do you mean to say that all the high courts have given the same
Yes, my lord,
order?
my lord, I have given a copy of 148 orders and the Supreme Court orders. Everywhere the proceedings are stayed, my lord, because this is without jurisdiction. My lord can have any of these orders, my lord. My lord, there are two compilations.
Anyway, I think you've got to go to Gauhati.
I am so sorry.
Not here.
But then can I have a liberty to file it in court?
You have right.
My lord, can record it without argument, my lord.
Huh?
I have not argued my case, my lord.
Naturally, but it's better to argue there,
Yes,
not here.
yes. I do not want that should come that I have argued and withdrawn it. So just that liberty be given to file in the
I heard Mr.
Jatin Sehgal.
Jatin Sehgal, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that he would like to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to file the same afresh in the principal seat of the Gauhati High Court.
Because the attachment order belongs
In view of the fact that the attachment order has been issued by the Enforcement Directorate having its office at Gauhati,
Yes.
and the properties are the properties that have been provisionally attached under section 5.1.
Yes, ma'am.
Under section 5.1 of the PMLA Act is at Gauhati, are at Gauhati, two
Yes,
are at Gauhati,
two properties, sir. Both are in Gauhati.
are at Gauhati. The prayer of the petitioner's counsel is allowed. The writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn, with liberty to file the same afresh in the principal seat as per law.
Lord, I am extremely grateful. 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 Lord, Actually, I'm here from last 7 days, not arguing a matter. That's why the learned judge felt that I have to conclude today, and that's why I did a mentioning, Lord, that it can be taken up as the first item.
It could have been taken up, but this is
No,
not the
that's
right
okay,
way.
Lord. That is whatever it is, Lord. If my Lord feels it, I vote on, Lord. Either this court or that court doesn't make a difference.
Correct.
How does it make a difference? I'm so grateful. They are more convenient to there. We come from Delhi.
Yes.
Easier to reach from there.
Yes.
So grateful.
For admission, item number 1.
Your Lordship, I appear on behalf of CGC.
And no one appears on behalf of the petitioner. This is an application for condoning. Oh,
I cannot properly connect. And for the petitioner, my lord.
who is that? We can't see you.
Victor,
Victor, we cannot, your name is not here in the cause list.
it is there, my lord.
Huh?
It is there, my lord. It is there on the second.
Item, item 1. No, because that was
Item
item.
one.
Okay. Sorry.
WP
I thought
number 90 of
because
2015.
he jumped the line, so I thought he was item 1. Okay. Item 1. Yes, what is this case about?
My lord, the matter pertains to Kaladan Multimodal Transit Transport Project.
Yes.
And the first draft award is supplementary draft award 2016. And due to cancellation of that draft award 2016, we had approached this court, and this court had ordered for status quo. And during pendency of this case, my lord, the state respondents had sought for permission to proceed with 138 toward
Status quo order dated?
that is 21/8/2019. Thereafter, my lord, on
21/8, just a minute, 21/8/2019. Just let me see. 21/8, no, this is this is the continuation order. The
Yes,
you have to be fair. This is only the continuation order. The orders of 19/7/2019.
yes, my lord.
Then
19th. And my lord, thereafter on 8/12/2021 of
8.
these courts of 8/12/2021, 8/12/2021, that status quo order was modified on the application of the state government to proceed only in respect of 138 landowners.
Then
So accordingly, my lord, they have proceed with the 138 landowners, and they have made the draft award number 1 of 2022 in respect of 138 genuine landowners. And thereafter, my lord, there is a recent development whereby they have made
it's
another
very
draft
hard to do this case. We cannot even see you. You are like a ghost. We are only hearing a voice.
I've been trying to connect, my lord. The present case is, my lord, this after they make draft award number 1 of 2022, they came with another draft award 1 of 2026 recently, and they have sought for approval from the state government, which is still awaited. And on the last occasion, I have sought for the development of the present case.
But the stay order does not operate anymore, I think.
In view of the status quo order, my lord, they have proceeded in respect of 138 landowners. In the draft of what original 2016, there are as many as 303. So they have proceeded only with 138 of them with the permission of this honorable court by modifying the status quo order, which is due for payment.
Can you give me a small note? We'll list it on Monday. Very hard to, you can't even see you, can't even interact. You give me a small note. List the matter on Monday. On which date the petitioner's counsel shall give us small synopsis. list of dates. I'll give a list of dates
Yes, Your
with
Lordship.
regard to the present case.
Item 2.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I am requested by the counsel for the respondent, Emily L. Changte. She hasn't been appeared in the list of respondent for now yet, but she has personal difficulties today. So
She's not a counsel. Her name is not there. She's given a wakalatnama.
She will be filing a vakalat lama, my
Huh?
lord. She will be filing
She will be filing.
Yes,
Acha,
my
for
lord.
whom?
For the respondent,
For the
sole
respondent.
respondent, my lord.
Okay, right. This is a matter. This is an application for condoning the delay. No.
Challenging the continuation.
Oh, this is a writ petition under Article 227.
No, my lord.
Then what is it?
It's a civil revision
Acha,
petition.
this
my
is
lord.
a civil revision petition
Yes, my lord.
challenging the condonation. Condoning the delay of 1 to 81 days. Correct?
Yes, my lord. 1,281.
1 to 81 days.
Yes, my lord.
In filing probate case number 5 of 2025 by the Court of the Civil Judge bracket Senior Division -1 Lungle. Wide order dated 15/5/25. Passed in Civil Miss Application number 82 of 2025. Next, it has been stated at the bar that Miss Emily L. Changte will be appearing for the respondent. And she will need how much time?
2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
2 weeks time to do what? To file?
Your Lordship,
To file what?
Vakalatnama and
To file wakalatnama, to submit her wakalatnama and file written objection and file affidavit in opposition.
yes, Your
This is the matter. Give after 2 weeks date.
Oblige, my lord.
18 June. Item 3 and 4.
No one appears on behalf of the applicant appellant. The order sheet shows that no one has appeared on behalf of the applicants, on behalf of the applicant. On the last 3 occasions, that is on 23/4/26, 6/5/26 and 22/5/26. Full stop. List the matter again on, in the interest of justice, list the matter again on Tuesday.
Item 5.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. In the last court date, the counsel for the appellant is directed to submit a translate copy, and the translate copy is received.
Translate
He
copy of what?
submitted. Translate copy of the grounds of arrest. In that
Oh.
ground of arrest, it is written in Hindi or Bengali, I don't know. So that has been translated. And in the translate, Your Lordship, it is written that Saitwal police had got our vehicle with drugs and informed us that we can engage an advocate.
May I submit, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, before I proceed with grounds of arrest, I would like to reiterate the facts of the case in very short.
You see,
Which one?
Cutting a long story short,
Okay.
since a charge sheet has been filed, I think you should go before the trial court. You have not filed a bail application after a charge sheet has been filed.
Your Lordship, we have filed the application, you rightly said, after, before filing of the charge sheet.
So you file,
Right.
you go to the trial court.
Your Lordship, may I submit, Your Lordship?
You can submit, but the decision will remain the same.
Your Lordship, the decision will be yours at the end of the day. I will not interfere in any manner, but I want to make submissions on behalf of the petitioner so that whatever he wants to submit before Your Lordship doesn't remain unheard, Your Lordship. But with your permission, if you allow.
You go before the trial court. You go there and then you make a submission because the charge sheet has been filed now. You have not approached the trial court after filing of charge sheet.
No, Your Lordship, we have not approached Your Lordship.
Then, and in the charge sheet, what is the stage of the case trial?
Yes, the documents has already been delivered, Your Lordship, and
Right.
now it's pending for opening of the case.
When?
It will be on last week, no, this week, 2nd of June.
2nd of June.
Yes, I don't know.
So
the
what
next
has happened
date.
on 2nd of June?
I believe that the case is open and the charge has been framed, I guess.
Charge has been framed.
I
No,
believe
please
so.
find
No,
out.
no, no, charges has not been framed, Your Lordship.
Yeah,
It is,
yeah,
the
The
no.
scan copy which we have
Appearance-
received is still the 2nd of that one, Your Lordship. We have received the scan copy in the last
So
court
when
date.
is the date fixed for framing of charge?
That is
or
on 2nd
considered?
June.
2nd June.
Yes.
Then what has happened on 2nd June?
Since he is the counsel and Your Lordship, he will be knowing that stage.
Madam, you are the PP. You are supposed to know. You are the PP. You are supposed to know more than them. You cannot. This is not that you should ask them to do everything, know everything.
Actually, Your Lordship, this present bail appeal, it was submitted before charge sheet was submitted. And in the last court date,
Correct. So now since the charge sheet has been filed,
yes,
all
I submitted.
there's a, I think, whether a charge has been framed, I do not know. So let him go there.
No, Your Lordship, charges has not been framed yet, Your Lordship. The date for framing of charges is on 16th June, Your Lordship.
16 June.
Yes,
From 2nd June, they changed to 16 June, that means.
Then you go there. You go there.
Your Lordship, but I am challenging the legality of the arrest, Your Lord.
You might challenge. You go there. Not when the charge sheet is there. Right. Heard Mr. Vikas Jamar, learned counsel for the applicant. Then you take this, the last order, huh? Last order, first paragraph. Achha, before that you write, heard Mr. Vikas Jamar, learned counsel for the applicant. Also heard Mrs. Vanesiami, learned APP. The next paragraph, the learned counsel for the applicant submits that the application should be granted by this. See, the first paragraph, it says, okay? First up. Miss Varnesyami, next learned APP submits that charge sheet has been filed in the case and the matter had been listed for consideration / framing of charge on 2/6/2026.
2/6 and now
For some-
from there it was changed to the
However,
next date.
Mr. Vikas Jamar, learned counsel for the applicant, submits that the date for framing of charge has now been fixed to 16th of June 2026. Wisdom. We have seen this court has seen the arrest memo and the grounds of arrest, where it has been stated that, where it has been recorded that the applicant was informed that the Saitwal police had caught their vehicles with drugs, and that the incident had been informed to their relatives. The grounds of arrest shows that they were informed that 50 bundles containing suspected methamphetamine weighing a total of 21.729 kgs were recovered from their Tata 1916 truck bearing registration number AS01TC 5997, engine number 3.3 so hey chassis number so which was an offence under section 22 bracket C /25 and 29 NDPS Act. They were also informed that the appellant was also informed that he was the occupant and driver of the vehicle transporting the drugs which was in his possession. As the same was punishable under the NDPS Act, he was arrested for the commission of the offence punishable under the above said sections on 20/01/26 at 9:30 am in connection with STL-PS case number 9/2026 dated 20/01/2026. The applicant was also informed that the offence was non-bailable and he had the right to engage a lawyer of his choice for his defence. Next paragraph. On considering the fact that charge sheet the applicant has not filed any bail application after filing of the charge sheet before the learned trial court, and keeping in view the fact that consideration of charge / framing of charge is fixed on 16/2/2026, this court is not inclined to entertain the present bail application at this stage. This court is of the view that the applicant should first approach the learned trial court with regard to his prayer for bail in view of the charge sheet being filed, having been filed in the learned trial court. The bail application is accordingly rejected at this stage.
Oblige.
Item number 6.
Please, Your Worship, steps were taken on respondents 1 and 2 as per the office noting on 1st of June. Service report may be awaited, Your Worship.
Notice was issued on 1/6.
Yes. No, report may be awaited. Today is only the 5th, I think.
Right. As per office note, notice was issued. Here for whom?
For the respondent number 3, my lord.
Okay. Notice was issued on the respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2 on 1/6/2026. Full stop. However, there is no return of AD card or unserved notice as only 5 days have elapsed. 4 days.
4 days.
Today's what date?
5th. Today's 5th.
4 days have elapsed since then. Miss
Rosie Man Lomsangi, my lord.
Rosie Manlomsang appears for respondent number 3. This is the matter. After the vacation, give a date.
17 July.